Yes, so today we're going to be unboxing this printed Sweatshirts Bale from North Pole Vintage. These are exactly the same bales as Syed Vintage does. As I said before, I would lift it up and show you, but I can't, it's too heavy. Oh my God. I tried to show you, but they're literally just so heavy. But let's get into actually unboxing it. Oh, this is always scary. This is always way too scary than it should be. Oh my God. How are you meant to open these? There must be some way. Like, it surely can't be this hard. Oh my God. Have I just got the wrong bit of equipment? Like, I'm going to take out an eye. We'll go for slow and steady wins the race here. If anyone knows how to actually open these, drop me a comment. It'd be very much appreciated for next time. Now we're actually into the bale. And our first piece is, oh, quite a nice like floral design jumper. It's got like the padded shoulders again. I think that's so weird. A Marvel like weird kind of like turtlenecky kind of jumper thing. I'll put it in the keep pile though. Another one of them funny looking printed sweatshirts that I got last time. It's all falling apart as well. This is not good. Oh my God. Russell Athletic quarter zip. I swear Russell Athletic's like a shop in America. Could be very wrong on this, but it's a quarter zip, and quarter zip's always a good sale, or an easy sale I should say. More of these like all over like floral print kind of things. They're a bit strange, but I think they will still sell. Surf Club. It's a really wide neck on this. Oh, it's an extra large. Probably would explain why. Not as good as the start as last time, but hopefully the bangers are waiting for us at the end. It's another one of the, I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. Like these weird like wide neck kind of jumpery things. I don't get it, to be honest, but I don't think I'll be keeping any of them. Oh my God, it's all gonna fall apart now. Oh no, oh, it's all falling apart. Everlast Sport, it's a plain one again though, so I don't think it'll really be worth anything. A two-tone neck, this looks promising. Is it a morning sun? It's not a morning sun, but it is quite a nice design on it though. Like a butterfly with love hearts. I think someone would like that. Another two-tone neck back to back. Not a morning sun one again, but it's another really nice. It's been killed by the fat mark on the front. A bit disappointing by that, but it is a really nice design. Got like a floral kind of design on it. An Under Armour jumper, I think. Oh my God. Looks like someone's been doing like belly slides in this Under Armour quarter zip. I think it will still sell if them marks come out. Another one of the funny looking printed jumpers. This hasn't got anything on it, but I might keep this one for myself. A weird like, this is just strange. It's got like a dream catcher on it. Weird like turtlenecky kind of thing, but it's another plain one. It's another really dead one. At this point, I'm questioning if it's a printed bale. It's another just blank. A Calvin Klein like long sleeve. What? A bootleg Calvin Klein long sleeve. It says Calvin down the side, but then it's on a monkin top, and that's what it says on the tag. I'm a bit torn for where to put it. I'll put it on the maybe pile. This one looks well cool. It's neon yellow, but it's another plain one. This is like the fourth plain one I pulled out in a row. Stay cozy. Like, who's gonna want this? Jazoot Mum, I've definitely butchered that. But it's a quarter zip, so I think it could do all right. Imp's Playground Fair, not really too sure, but I think I could keep it. It looked like it had a lot of yellow in though. Another blank YWCA staff on a little quarter zip. It's a quarter zip, so I'll keep it. Another blank, and another, and another, and another. RVCA, I've never heard of it. Just a black crew neck. An Obey sweatshirt. Who remembers Obey? Major throwback there. What is this? It's like wrapping paper printed onto a jumper. I've got an invisible jumper. No way. Get it? Camo joke. Ha, ha, ha. I know it wasn't funny. 2 invisible jumpers? What? I killed it. I admit I killed it. It wasn't funny the first time, but now it's really dead. At least we're getting some more printed jumpers now. It's like a printed floral jumper. It's not too good. It's all right though. I'll take it over blanks. This is quite a nice one though. Two-tone neck, and it's like a robin. It's probably not a robin, but that's the only bird that I really know, to be honest. Apart from a pigeon, I know them. This is oh God, that's like stabbed me. A weird like crystal kind of design on this one. I don't think this will be worth anything though. It's a Puma. It's a Puma polo. Nice. What, exactly what I wanted. I'll keep it though, don't get me wrong. Minghu Republic of China 41433. This might have been someone's prison jumper. It's got like their prison number on it. Quiet Storm, like quarter zip. It's a quarter zip, so I'll keep it. Oh, and it started again. The Christmas jumpers are back. Oh my God. I think it probably is quite a nice Christmas jumper, apart from the print being all stuck together. Weird like palm tree kind kind of thing. I don't think it'd be worth anything though. Blue Key Society. If anyone knows who the Blue Key Society are, let me know in the comments. Another one of them just do nothing jumpers. This is quite a weird jumper. It had a couple holes that I see on the front as well, but I'll keep it. It's got a little embroidered patch on the back, but that's not really good. Oh my god. Another blank. I was gonna say this jumper looks really nice, but it's got like a purple like mark on there. I don't even know how you'd get something like that on a jumper. Weird like cardigan, like button up kind of thing. I don't think it'd be worth anything. A striped like small kind of jumper, but it's got this like really nice embroidered flowers down the arm. Another two-tone neck jumper, but once again it's a Christmas jumper, but I think you could get away with wearing this in different times of year though. I was gonna say this is quite cool until I see it was missing one of the stars, so that's pretty much killed any value it did have. A Fruit of the Loom blank staff for who knows where. If you know where that place is, please drop me a comment, it'd be much appreciated. Another pink long sleeve t-shirt. I don't think these will sell for too much. This like old navy jumper, I don't think it'd be worth anything. It is just a blank. Another nice jumper, but it's not Christmas. It is quite a nice Christmas jumper though, to be fair. A weird kind of jumper. I don't know how to explain this, but I don't think I'll be keeping it. Half of these have been t-shirts. This is another like t-shirt thing. It's not very good though. I won't be keeping that one either. Another blank, but I might keep this one for myself. Another blank, and another, and another. A pink jumper. It's a bit dead. A North Face quarter zip. This could have saved the bale. Quite a basic one though, but just because the fact it is North Face will really increase the value. This is probably one of the only saving graces of the bale so far. Another two-tone neck jumper. This is a really nice one, like an autumn kind of design. Another two-tone neck with a nice little embroidered design on it, and once again it's not a Christmas one, so it's great. Another two-tone neck with a nice like floral design on it. I think this could sell really well. A weird like long sleeve kind of polo, but I think it could sell all right though, just because it is embroidered. I think this is a pink jumper again. Yeah, another pink jumper. I don't think these will sell too well though. One of the ones with a weird neck. This really baffles me, this kind of neck. Unity Point St. Luke's Hospital quarter zip. I think this could sell quite well. Weird kind of print on this though. I think I'll keep it though, just because it is a printed jumper. Weird kind of like cardigan jumper with a nice little like embroidered patch on it, but I'll keep it. Another nice two-tone neck jumper, but there's some really big stains on this one, so the value has just gone well down. Comfort Co, not a bit of me. A navy and gold Alaska jumper with a nice little two-tone neck. I think this one's quite nice. This will be added to the keep pile. Oh my god, it looks like it's about to fall over. Please don't. Oh my god. Another pile fell down that I was not ready for. Another Alaska jumper. What are the chances? Size... It's gutting because it was looking like a really nice jumper with a nice little embroidered patch on it, but there's quite a lot of stains. This looks good. Grandma always has candy, gives hugs and kisses, has a warm smile, stitches buttons, makes magic in the kitchen, spoils her grandkids. Ah, how nice. Like a pink jumper. I think this could sell really well. The embroidering on this is really nice. The keep pile's actually got quite big now, which I'm quite happy about. Now on to the last jumper of the bale, unfortunately, and it is a weird kind of like deer jumper. I think I'll keep it though. It'll be worth keeping. But as I just said, unfortunately, that is the end of the bale. But if you have enjoyed this unboxing, please drop it a like. It'd be very much appreciated. It really does help my channel out so much. And drop a comment on what your favorite jumper was out of this bale. But as I said, this is from North Pole Vintage. These are the exact same ones that Syed Vintage do. However, from North Pole Vintage, they're only £50, but the stock is very limited on them. But I do hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing this bale. As I said, please drop it a like. It'd be so appreciated. But please like, subscribe, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future.